Have you ever thought about how much easier cooking could be with the right skillet? Today, we're looking at the best electric skillets that can handle everything from quick breakfasts to hearty dinners. Each one brings something unique to the table, and by the end, you'll know which best electric frying pan might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Links to the current prices for each of these skillets are in the description box below. Let's start with the Bella Electric Skillet. When you first see it, you notice the generous cooking surface, which makes it ideal for preparing meals for a family or even entertaining guests. The skillet is coated with a non-stick surface, allowing you to cook with minimal oil while still achieving that golden sear or delicate browning you want on vegetables, meats, or pancakes. Because food releases so easily from the surface, you'll find cleanup to be nearly effortless, which means you can focus more on enjoying your meal and less on scrubbing dishes afterward. It's no wonder why many people consider this one of the top-rated electric skillets for everyday use. Another benefit of the Bella skillet is its even heat distribution. You'll appreciate how the temperature spreads consistently across the surface, ensuring that every portion of your stir-fry or sautéed dish cooks evenly. This is especially helpful when preparing dishes that require precise timing, like delicate fish or fluffy omelets, where uneven heating could ruin the texture. The adjustable temperature control gives you the flexibility to switch from a low simmer for sauces to a high sear for meats, all without switching pans. With that level of control, it's easy to see why the Bella is often highlighted as a top-rated electric skillet for home kitchens. The design of the Bella skillet also enhances your cooking experience. Its deep sides allow you to prepare saucier dishes like curries or stews without worrying about spills. And the glass lid helps you monitor your cooking while keeping moisture and flavor locked in. You'll find yourself using it not just for frying or sautéing, but also for slow-cooked meals that benefit from steady, controlled heat. This makes it a truly multi-purpose tool that can replace several pots and pans in your kitchen. When you use the Bella Electric Skillet, you'll notice how it simplifies your cooking routine. Whether you're making a quick breakfast, a hearty dinner, or even a one-pan meal for guests, it gives you the control and convenience you need. It's the kind of appliance that you'll keep reaching for because it blends efficiency with versatility, making everyday cooking feel less like a chore and more like a pleasure. For many, it's not just the best electric frying pan they've owned, but one of the most reliable tools in their kitchen. Do you think a larger cooking surface like this would make your weeknight dinners easier? Or do you prefer something more compact? Now, moving on, let's talk about the Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet. This model is designed with versatility in mind, offering a wide cooking surface that lets you prepare larger meals without feeling cramped. The adjustable temperature control allows you to fine-tune the heat for different styles of cooking, whether you're simmering a sauce, frying chicken, or even making a batch of pancakes for breakfast. You'll find that the skillet heats quickly and maintains its temperature well, which helps you achieve consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet Skillet is its non-stick interior. This surface makes it incredibly easy to release food without sticking, which not only improves the texture of your dishes, but also makes cleaning up afterward quick and simple. You'll appreciate how little oil you need to use, which can make your meals lighter and healthier without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. The non-stick surface also means that delicate foods like eggs or fish can be cooked with confidence. The skillet's design is both practical and user-friendly. Its high sides give you plenty of room to cook saucy dishes or larger portions, which is especially useful if you're cooking for a family or hosting guests. The included glass lid allows you to keep an eye on your food while it cooks, trapping in steam and flavor so your meals come out moist and delicious. You'll notice how easy it is to prepare one-pot meals, reducing the need for multiple pans and making the entire cooking process more streamlined. When you bring the Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet into your kitchen, you'll find that it quickly becomes a go-to appliance. It's perfect for everyday cooking, from quick weeknight dinners to leisurely weekend meals. The combination of its spacious design, reliable heating, and easy cleanup makes it a practical choice that enhances your cooking experience. Among the best electric skillets available today, This one stands out for its balance of convenience and performance. What kind of dish would you try first in a skillet like this? Something simple like pancakes, or something more adventurous like a curry? Next, let's take a look at the Cuisinart 1500 watt nonstick oval electric skillet. This model immediately stands out because of its powerful 1500 watt heating element, which delivers rapid and consistent heat across its large oval-shaped surface. That shape is particularly useful because it accommodates larger cuts of meat, such as roasts or whole fish, that wouldn't fit as easily in a round skillet. You'll appreciate how it opens up new possibilities for the kinds of meals you can prepare. The non-stick surface of the Cuisinart skillet is another major advantage. It allows you to cook with less oil while still achieving excellent browning and caramelization. You'll notice how easily food releases from the surface, which makes flipping and stirring simple. Cleanup is equally straightforward, and because the skillet is dishwasher safe, you can save even more time after your meal. This means you can focus on cooking and enjoying your food rather than worrying about the cleanup afterward. The design of the skillet is both elegant and functional. The glass lid lets you monitor your cooking while keeping heat and moisture inside, which is especially helpful when making dishes that require steady simmering. The handles are designed to stay cool, giving you confidence when moving the skillet around your kitchen. You'll also appreciate the depth of the skillet, which allows you to prepare dishes with sauces or broths without worrying about spills. When you cook with the Cuisinart 1500 watt oval electric skillet, you'll notice how it brings a professional feel to your home kitchen. The combination of power, size, and thoughtful design makes it a versatile tool that can handle everything from everyday meals to special occasions. It's no surprise that many consider this one of the top-rated electric skillets, as it delivers both performance and style in equal measure. If you're searching for the best electric skillet for larger meals, this model may be exactly what you're looking for. Now let's move on to the Presto 16-inch electric skillet. This model is known for its generous size, giving you a wide cooking surface that's perfect for preparing meals for a family or a group of friends. The 16-inch surface allows you to cook multiple items at once, from pancakes and bacon in the morning to stir-fries and casseroles in the evening. You'll find that the large surface area makes it easy to prepare complete meals in a single pan, which saves both time and effort. The skillet's non-stick interior ensures that food releases easily and cooks evenly. You'll appreciate how little oil you need, which makes your meals healthier while still delivering great flavor. Because the surface is so easy to clean, you'll find that this skillet quickly becomes one of the most convenient tools in your kitchen. The even heating across the entire surface also means that you won't have to worry about hot spots, so your food comes out perfectly cooked every time. The Presto skillet is designed with practicality in mind. The high sides allow you to prepare larger or saucier dishes without worrying about spills, and the glass lid helps you monitor your cooking while keeping flavors and moisture locked in. You'll also appreciate the skillet's durability, as it's built to handle frequent use while maintaining its performance. This makes it a reliable choice for everyday cooking. When you use the Presto 16-inch electric skillet, you'll notice how it simplifies your cooking routine. The size and versatility make it perfect for everything from quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners, and the ease of cleanup means you'll spend less time in the kitchen overall. This is one of the best electric frying pans for families or anyone who enjoys cooking in larger batches, and it easily earns its place among the top-rated electric skillets on the market. Would you use all that extra space for cooking family meals, or would you try making big batch recipes to freeze for later? Finally, let's take a closer look at the Zojirushi Gourmet Dexpert electric skillet. This model is designed with precision and versatility in mind, offering multiple cooking functions that allow you to prepare a wide variety of dishes. You'll appreciate the quality of its construction, which ensures even heating and consistent results, whether you're simmering, sautéing, or grilling. The skillet's thoughtful design makes it suitable for both everyday meals and special occasions. One of the standout features of the Zojirushi skillet is its adjustable temperature control, which allows you to cook with precision. You can gently simmer sauces or soups, or turn up the heat for a quick sear on meats and vegetables. This level of control gives you the flexibility to experiment with different recipes and cooking techniques, all while knowing that your skillet will deliver consistent results. The design of the Zojirushi skillet also enhances your cooking experience. Its deep sides and spacious surface give you plenty of room to prepare larger meals or dishes with more liquid, such as stews or curries. The glass lid allows you to monitor your food as it cooks, trapping in moisture and flavor so your meals come out tender and delicious. You'll find that the skillet is easy to use and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday cooking. When you bring the Zojirushi Gourmet Dexpert Electric Skillet into your kitchen, you'll notice how it elevates your cooking routine. It's not just about convenience, it's about giving you the tools to prepare meals that are flavorful, consistent, and satisfying. For many home cooks, this is the best electric skillet for versatility and precision, and it's often recognized as a top-rated electric skillet for those who want professional-level performance at home. So that wraps up our look at some of the best electric skillets you can buy right now. Each one has its own strengths, and whichever you choose, you'll be adding a versatile tool that makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. If you'd like to check them out for yourself, links to the current prices are in the description box below.